It was a very lovely service, Pastor. I really enjoyed myself.
I was hoping to see your son this Sunday. Where was he?
You know how these kids are. Once they reach 18, you can't tell them nothing. Hopefully him come next week.
I understand. My daughter is the same way. But we have to push them so they will know the word of the Lord.
What did the last Sunday?
I was busy last Sunday, man. That's why you never see me.
You can't make me wait so long, you know, from when me dead for see you.
If remember say the pastor daughter, you know, so keep a low profile.
Well, you could at least come and me see you. You know, if you hide all the time, you know, I love you.
Yo, Cash, where you find a new girl? Yeah? Last week, man. You like me, I grow my herbs. Sexy and she useful. Yeah, man, but the girl have me eat a bunch of organic shit. You're sexy, you fuck dog, nah lie. Man, do you watch my girl and you just fight. But yo, what happened to that girl that used to live with you? Yo, that girl is sexy, you're freaking on my uniform. When me the one page her, but she kinda stuck up still in her dog. Really stuck up. She move out, dog. Find a new place. Really, dog? And you know fuck. You know like she don't want to fuck me, dog. Yo, dog, fuck you should have dog. How you do her? She tell if you see the bugger girl them in here, I must see that. I look for somebody else to rent out the room, man. Come like have the extra money.
Jesus Christ, Anthony. You can't clean up the place?
Yeah, my baby mother, you come clean it for me.
Speaking of baby mother, I need you to take care of Annie for a little while.
Why? What go on?
I go overseas for a little while. I need her to stay with you.
If you go overseas, it's gonna be a little while.
What about a questioning for your daughter too, you know?
But you just come in and drop all this on me and expect man to think a certain way. You basically want her to come live with me because you not go overseas for a little while.
You forget you get me pregnant during high school, so you owe me this because me that take care of all of by myself.
Alright, man. Me'll watch her for you.
Look upon it like this. You and I can get to spend a good time with each other, you know, father and daughter.
Alright, cool. She can stay in the extra bedroom.
Later. Don't give your father no trouble, you know, alright? I'm gonna send some of your stuff them over. I love you, you know. Before you know it, I'm gonna come back and 2 hours we're gonna live a foreign together.
So me and you go apart from now, eh? My little daughter.
Yes, Daddy.